Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this video of a part 8 series how to set up a computer which is desktop with dual monitors for office use. In today's video we will be looking at the desk, the location and the equipment required to make this happen. So what you're seeing now on screen is the desk itself where we will be building the computer. The location is the office where I'm at now, and the equipment, I'll take you to the equipment now. So on the floor we have the tower, the stand, the dual monitors, the extensions, some tools, and then I will be bringing in the mouse and keyboard and VGA cables. So that is really it for part 1 of the series, which contains 8 videos. Thanks for now.